Hi everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and I'm going to show y'all now how to solder the cold water shutoff on. I've got two of these angle shutoffs, and the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to measure my copper. I'm going to cut it right about here. Yeah, I'm going to cut it right about here so that it lines up with the other one. Usually what I do is I'll take my supply. Well, maybe I'll be alright if I put it on like that. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. I think I'll do it right there. Instead, yeah, I think I'm going to do it right there. Little tech tip, you can use sandpaper, and then what you want to do then, you want to take your nut and ferrule off, and then what I do is I take the insides of the valve out to keep it from melting the rubber washers. And then I sand out the inside of the valve. And then I put some flux. And then I'm going to put flux on my pipe. I'm going to put a little bit of flux on the shutoff. And then I'm going to push it on there. I'll just put this one here on the cold side. Alright, y'all, let's solder. Get my solder ready. And a little tip is when you're soldering this, all you need is a little flame. You don't need that right there. That's too much. Let me show y'all what I mean. All you need is like on simmer. This sucker is gonna smoke a lot. I really like this kind of shutoff that you solder on, because you don't have to thread it on, and it's really secure, if you know what I mean. Because most of the time you're going to have a piece of copper. And there we go. Let me let those cool off. And let me get the supply lines on. Oh, man. Alright, y'all, I got one more solder joint I got to go do. And that's going to be a hose bib. So, let me go take care of that, and we'll be good to go.